Tri-Quattro Piano, Level 1, Interpretation. Cross hands 1 involves the notes C, E and G in the left hand, then in the right hand. And then we use the left hand to cross over the right hand and play a higher note. You can choose which note to play, and we encourage you to choose different ones. Which note fits best? Then we play the right hand coming down, G, E, C, and use the right hand to cross over the left hand and play a lower note. Which note completes the piece? Which note fits best? So we'll count 3 in because there are 3 beats in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then choose a higher note. You can play 1, 2, 3, it's up to you. And when you're ready, start on line 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and choose a lower note, or 2 or 3, to complete the piece. It's all up to you. Enjoy listening and hearing and decide which one fits best.